So today we're looking at Disney Doorables. This is called the Grand Entrance. There's different ones available, and this is how this comes. This is a magnetic door here. It's a case, and you open it up.
Yep.
Yep.
And you'll get these two inside. But right now we're just going to show you the stage.
Yes.
And right over there is where the Disney Doorables
So
are.
let's show how it opens. So this is magnetic. It opens up like this here,
Yep.
and the Disney are usually in here.
Yep. And there's the little Disney door.
And that's how this is the box they come in.
This is what the box they come in.
Yeah.
And these are the two you'll get.
And these are the two right here that you're gonna be very
these
careful.
These are the two.
Let me show them on stage.
And you need to be super careful because if you touch them, they'll fall very easily.
Yeah, because they're designed to really be on the stage.
Yep.
So let's see how they come off like that. So let's show you.
So
let's show them.
I'll show them.
Over here.
So I'll tell what their
Over
names
here,
are.
The cameras are right here. They're
I
right
know.
here.
So we got old
Steamboat Mickey.
Yep. So we got old Steamboat Mickey, and this is from the olden days. And we got the original Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, and look at the
eyes. What you notice here, the eyes don't look like the second one we showed you.
Yeah.
And that's kind of a little weird how the eyes look like.
Yeah, that's how the old Steamboat Mickey used to look like this, and this is the new one. So that's why they have a little difference in appearance. And this is the back of them, the back of the head.
Yep,
and,
they're both black.
Yep, and this is the stage. And this is the stage.
Yep.
So they sit in the stage. You have a little pin here. Yeah, show the page. Yeah.
I want to hold it.
Go ahead, hold it.
And there's like different type of papers on there that are from the olden days.
Yep, and we'll show that all the different ones, the different renderings and different parts of the old school Mickey with the Steamboat Willie and all these different things are available. And these are the characters. Now, how big do you think these are? Let's take a quick measurement.
Yeah,
okay?
let's take a quick measurement.
Take a quick measurement. We'll look at the ruler, and these are approximately 3 inches tall.
Yeah. And let's see the R1 because the hat is also with it.
Yeah, so the hat's a little bit more. Yeah, so about the same, about 3 inches tall.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they're 3 inches tall.
And let's see how it inches this stage is.
Okay, that's a very good idea. Let's take a. So the stage is roughly about 5 inches, and roughly about
10.
Nope, about 3.5 inches tall. So 3.5 inches tall, and across is about 5 inches exactly. 5 inches. So 5 by 3.5. That's how big the stage is.
And these two are both 3 inches tall. Just so you know.
Yep, just 3 inches, and they all pop on here with a little pin. So once you set them in there and you set them on the stage, they'll sit in there perfectly.
Yep. And can you guess which one's holding the real Mickey Mouse? Let's see the difference. So it looks like I'm holding the real Mickey.
Right, and I'm holding Steamboat.
Yep,
Steamboat.
You're holding the olden days one, and I'm holding the
new one. Right. Well, that's perfect. Well, thank you. Thank you for explaining everything to us and the audience. Really,
and
very
don't forget
exciting.
to subscribe.
That's right.
Smash that subscribe button.
That's
Don't
right.
forget, you are worth it. Bye, guys.
You are worth it, and don't forget to follow us for more awesome reviews. Thanks for watching.
Yep, bye.
Bye.